Well, spring is definitely here and we're getting a hint of what summer is gonna be, and I'm definitely excited for it. I mean, you know, I love summer, I love spring, and I love fall. Quite honestly, I'm not a big fan of winter, but you know what else comes with spring, summer, and fall? Motorcycle season. Now, obviously, I cannot mention motorcycle season without showing you guys my amazing looking Kawasaki Z650. I love that bike. I mean, the white with the black and the green frame is truly an amazing combo. I know I still have to do a full video to show you guys all the mods that I've done on it. And don't worry, because in today's video, we are adding another mode. Now, I'm not gonna tell you exactly where it is, but I'm gonna tell you one thing for sure. It's gonna look pretty sick on it. It is gonna look good, for sure. Well, I'm excited to be building these accessories for the Z650. I've seen quite a few pictures with it. It truly looks amazing and I can't wait to show you guys the results. But first we need to open all those bags up and follow the instruction because yeah, there's a little bit of things to put together right there. But for you it's going to be pretty quick. Currently fully closed. Just a side note, I've rarely seen stuff that well packaged. Like, it's taking me forever to open those bags. Literally every single piece is in individual plastic bag, individually wrapped. That's pretty amazing, Kawasaki. Wow, good job, good job. All right, I know this is not the transition that you guys were looking for. We're actually gonna rewind, redo that just real quick. That way I can give you a proper transition from unpacked, packed to unpacked. You know what I mean? Let's just rewind real quick. Alright, well, we got everything unpacked. Quite a lot to that little kit, quite frankly. I didn't expect that much to put together for that small of an accessories, but definitely well packaged, definitely looking really, really good. I can't wait to put that on the bike. I know it doesn't look like much for now, but don't worry guys, once it's on the bike, it's really, really gonna look good. I've seen plenty of pictures. And yeah, it's pretty good. We do have the instruction, and obviously I'm going to read them, take time to read them, because if you haven't seen my other videos, it's good to read instructions sometimes, especially that kind of shows you exactly what to do. But yeah, let's get to it. All right, if you guys just want to give me 30 minutes, I'm going to read through this instruction. Just hang there, just for a little bit. I don't know, maybe you can download and read it with me. Maybe I can read it to you. Maybe that would be better. Nah, I'm kidding. Obviously, I'm going to fast forward through all that. That way you guys don't have to watch me put this together. Well, I might stop at some point, you know, just to kind of show you progress. But yeah, let's just fast forward. Installation instruction. Note: in order to protect the single seat cover from being damaged, do the work on a soft material such as a cloth. I am reusing the packaging material. That way I do not damage the product. Step 1, part 1. No, I'm kidding. Alright, let's fast forward. Like, legitimately, the first step is put the single seat cover upside down. And I was looking for the part being like, what is he talking about? It's this. Wow, what a great start. We're gonna be here all night. Alright, well, we are getting there. It's a little bit hard. The instructions are very small, so like looking at the picture is not super easy to see exactly the placement of some of those pads, but we're getting there. We're getting there. Well, assembly time is over. It's definitely looking extremely good. Assembly was fairly easy. The only issue were the pads that you have to place at specific location. The instructions are a little bit small and the picture are extremely small, so that was a little bit hard to fully understand where the pads go, but once you put the bracket in, it's fairly simple. But yeah, looking amazing. Now let's go into the garage and make sure that it fits correctly on the bike and just, you know, see how it looks. Alright guys, take a good look at it, because next time you see it, and now. Guys, I am so happy with the result. It really looks amazing. It almost changing the way the bike look. I really love it. Drop a comment below, let me know what you think on that very amazing mod. Very easy to put together and definitely give the bike a new look in a way. Oh yeah. Well, as usual, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any question regarding the mod, drop a comment below. Don't forget to smash the like button and then subscribe to the channel. But for now, Frenchie's out.